Am I recording? Yeah. Give this one a go. See what you can make of it. I'm gonna start it now. Now. So, we want area bounded by the curves, and these are the two equations. Best thing to do in this situation is draw her out. Draw your problem out. So, 8 minus x squared, this would be 8 here, and then you have some negative parabola, like this, downward facing parabola, like that. I probably should have put this thing on. And then you have another parabola, maybe somewhere here, and it's somewhere like that. Very rough graph, but you get the point. This is a 2 here, and it's facing upward. We want to know the approximate area in here. So the way you do that with calculus is you would have to integrate the two curves from one point to the other. And the way you know your bounds of integration is you need to find the point where they intersect, because you know that's going to encompass your entire area. So to find how do you find the points of intersection? You would set your equations equal to each other, and you solve for x. So, fuck, my brother's trying to ask to play, but I want to finish this. So 2x squared equals 10. X squared equals 5. And x would equal root 5. So now you know, plus or minus root 5. So now you know that these points are at root 5, negative root 5. So now you would do the integration from negative root 5 to 5 of the top equation minus the bottom. Because the top equation, I'm going to try and shade it in blue. The top equation will give you this area under the curve, right? And the bottom equation will give you this area under the curve, under this curve. So the blue is going to be under the top curve, the green is going to be under, and then when you subtract the two, what's left is the red portion, right? So first equation would be 8 minus x squared, and then we're subtracting the function negative 2 plus x squared dx. Now we will distribute this negative sign. So you have 8 minus x squared. That'll be a plus 2, and that'll be a minus x squared dx. Now you will combine like terms. 8 and 2 will be a 10, minus 2x squared. Now the integral, finishing the integral, you get 10x minus 2/3 of x cubed, with the bounds being negative 5 and 5. Now with your bounds, you plug those in, and you will have 10 root 5 minus 2/3 root 5 cubed minus 10 negative root 5 minus 2/3 negative root 5 cubed. So I'm going to go ahead and do these cubes, and I'll also expand the subtraction. Minus, so that's going to give us a negative 2/3 5 roots of 5, right? Because root 5 squared is just 5, and you have 1 left over. I'll bring this minus out, so that'll be minus 10 roots of, oh, that'll be a plus because you got this negative and this negative, so that'll be a plus root 5, 10 roots of 5. And this minus, and then this negative, since it's cubed, it's still going to be there, so that'll be a negative 2/3 of 5 root 5. Okay, so now you would have 20 roots of 5, and then this would be negative 4 roots of 5. So 20 root 5 minus 4/3 root 5 roots of 5, excuse me. Do that, and when you plug these numbers in, you will get 29.8. That's what I got, which would be approximately 30. There you go.